Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a WireGuard server and configure it on an Android device using the WireGuard VPN client. WireGuard is a cutting-edge secure VPN protocol designed for speed and efficiency. It provides robust online privacy while using minimal resources. Stay tuned as I guide you through the entire process in detail. To begin, open any browser and visit the custom UDP website. Once you're on the home page, click the hamburger menu in the top corner to expand the options. From the menu, scroll down and select the WireGuard VPN server option. Next, you'll see an account creation form. Fill out the required fields such as your username. If applicable, add a valid SNI or leave it blank if unnecessary. Make sure to check the reCAPTCHA box before clicking Create Account. After creating the server, click on the WireGuard config label to download your configuration file. Wait a few seconds for the download to complete. Once it's done, return to your mobile device's home screen. Head to the Google Play Store and search for the WireGuard VPN app. Download and install it on your Android device. Once the installation is complete, open the app to access the home screen. On the app's home screen, tap the plus icon located in the bottom right corner. A menu will appear. Select Import from File. Locate the configuration file you downloaded earlier from your Downloads folder and import it into the app. If the file has a .txt extension added to it during download, rename the file to remove the .txt extension before importing it into the app. If configured, it's time to activate your VPN. Simply tap the radio button next to your server profile to start the VPN connection. And that's it! You've successfully set up a WireGuard server and configured it on your Android device. WireGuard offers fast, secure, and reliable VPN performance, ensuring your online activity remains private. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.